This is Revolution, 2-box 194. Good luck. Yes, there's the link. Prism Draft Asia. It's a wait. We used to do them all the time. Let's do one. LaMelo's live. Are they off or are they only 79? They're 79 with LaMelo live autos. It's going to fly. People take 5 or 6 at a time. It's going to beyond fly. Beyond. Damon used to do a bunch of random teams of it. It's going to beyond fly. Wait for it. Looks like we have at least one auto. Good. Because you're not guaranteed an auto. Good luck for the auto. What's up, Goodfella 1422? Last 2 boxes of Revo. Hopefully everyone's having a good Saturday. I'm on for the next couple hours. Bonus coverage. And then Blez is taking over. Let's keep it moving. Yes, Prism. You'll see how fast it flies. It could be next. That's how crazy it flies. LaMelo with live autos for 79. It's beyond ridiculous. It's gonna be on. Just take it. Just take it. Good luck, guys. Thanks for the quick fill. And we have a bunch of fast breaks to do. But we got to do this absolute. What are we waiting for at absolute? Prism Draft Asia is flying. Charlotte just came off. It's flying. Good luck. Love this stuff. Rookie Fractal of Zeke Naji. Supernova, Luka Base, Groove of Jason Tatum, Bane, true rookie for Memphis. Astro, Trae Young, Vortex. Fractal of Ice Tray, Jalen Smith. Come on with our numbered cards today. Bam, Impact. Nothing good numbered. Come on. Prism Draft is flying. It's probably next. Kmart Jr. Rookie auto of Vassell for San Antonio. Astro of Rose. Liftoff of Zion. Come on. Rookie Astro of Riller. Pritchard true for the Ticks. Groove of DeJounte. Vortex of D'Lo. This is so annoying how Revo's not been great today. It's so annoying. Trey! Astro of Baines. Vortex. There's the Zion base. Rookie Astro of Obi Toppin. Nice. For the Knicks. Wara. Rookie Groove of Nesmith for the Ticks. Rudy Gobert, Shockwave. Groove of Jokic, Maladone rookie. Groove of McCollum. Vortex of Middleton, Winston rookie. We have Cubic. Nice. Cubic of Jokic for Denver. /50. Shaden McDaniels. Astro, Lillard, Westbrook, Supernova. Sorry, people. Thank you.